Nature, in the broadest sense, is the natural, physical, or material world or universe. Our forests, rivers, oceans, and soils provide us with the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we irrigate our crops with. We also rely on them for numerous other goods and services we depend on for our health, happiness, and prosperity. We eat different kinds of food every day that put in plastic. As it emptied, we easily throw them away. Then the plastics carried by the wind that we landed in different places. Some people may care the environment, but some are not. So that's the reason plastics scattered in different places. The worst is people throw garbage without hesitation, without thinking what might happen, without care of our nature. Over 300 million tons of plastic every year, 15% of which is for single-use purposes utilized for just a few moments. Burning plastic may result in pollution. It causes the ozone layer to thin, exposing life on Earth to dangerous radiation. Water pollution. Traffic may cause air pollution. Illegal logging. Dynamite fishing. Typhoon. Flood. El Niño or drought. What if we make a change? Have a proper cleaning habit in different barangays. Coastal cleanup. Proper disposal of garbage. River cleanup. Tree planting. We will make a change.
Come and be part of the Santa Catalina Science High School Environmental Campaign.
Safe.
Safe.
Safe. Safe. Safe. Safe.
Your future depends on you. Save humanity. Serve Mother Earth. Save our nature. Save our nature.